Sambayan Talks, where the conversation is sweet. In this episode, we're talking about something close to our heart, and that's empowering the Philippines.
Don't worry, this won't sound like classroom lecture. Just talks.
Because we already have the power to make it.
So sit back, relax, and join as we talk about how we can all be the voices of change.
Sometimes it feels like adults don't listen to us. Like we always say, we'll understand this when we get older. But the truth is, we only see what's happening in life around us.
Issues like the climate change, poverty, and mental health, they're not part of our lives.
And that's why we believe that we aren't just
We also have our own ideas, creativity, and empathy. And that's something powerful we can use to create change.
social media is powerful. Unfolds can reach thousands everyone. But the question is, are we going on the same track as what we want to ask?
Our audience efforts are something meaningful, like sharing awareness and supporting causes.
There are so many young people now are using technology for helping others, like starting a donation drive or a podcast like this one.
I see it isn't just about posting or scrolling. It's about using your voice and your platform to connect and form and inspire other people. You don't need to be rich or be famous to make an impact. Change can start with something small like clicking on a friend, volunteering, or simply being kind online.
Spreading positivity can go a long way.
Kindness travel faster, faster than hate.
Being a leader isn't just about being loud. It's about being brave, being kind, and inspiring others to do good. So when you get the chance to help, speak up, or even just listen, do it because that's already a change. Change doesn't start tomorrow. It starts with you. Remember that every small action
Voice.
Don't wait for change. Be the voice of it.